इंग्लिश ओलंपियाड क्लास फर्स्ट चैप्टर 12 प्रीपोजिशन, इस पे हम एमसीक्यू देखेंगे। इससे पहले मैंने 11 चैप्टर तक की एमसीक्यू आपके साथ शेयर की है। अगर आपने उसे नहीं देखा है तो प्लीज उसे एक बार अवश्य प्रैक्टिस करें। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, पोजीशन ऑफ द डॉग। फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद द करेक्ट प्रीपोजिशन। द डॉग इज डैश द टेबल, अंडर, ऑन, नेक्स्ट, behind. Correct answer is under. Under means something directly below under objects. In the picture, the dog covered the top of the table. Sentence, the dog is the under the table. Finding the rabbit. The rabbit is dash the tree. Under, behind, next to, front. Correct answer, behind. Behind means the back of something. The tree is in front. We can only see part of rabbit. Sentence, the rabbit is behind the tree. The policeman. The policeman is dash car. Under, front of, next to, in. Correct answer is in front of. In front of means further forward than something else. The policeman is close to us than the police car. Sentence, the policeman is in front of the car. The word is dash the case. In, on, under, behind. Correct answer is in. In means inside the container or place. The word is surrounded by the bars on the case. Bars of the case. Sentence, the word is in the case. 5. Play time. The ball is dash the box. Preposition of the place: in front, below, between. Next, behind. The ball is the box is next to. Next to means the at the side of something. The ball and the box are side by side. Sentence, the ball is next to the box. The eggs are dash the next. In, on, behind, under. Correct answer is in. Why? Because the egg are inside the next, we use in for things that are contained inside an area. 7. A key is dash a lock. Option है in, on, among, under. Correct answer is in. The key goes into the small hole of the lock. Since it's inside, we say the key is in the lock. 8. Children are playing dash the park. Option in, on, with, under. Correct answer है the park is a large area with the fence of boundary. The children are inside this area, so we play in the park. 9. Water is dash a glass. Option है in, on, under, behind. Correct answer है in. When we pour water, it fills the inside of the glass. The water is contained by the wall of the glass. 10. A ball is dash the tub. Option है in, on, in front of, under. Correct answer है the ball is in the tub. It's floating inside the water and bubbles for the fun bath time. Extra challenge, the ball is dash the table. Guess the word. It is on or under. Thank you. इसी प्रकार के एजुकेशनल वीडियो के लिए आप हमारे साथ बने रहें। और प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड शेयर कीजिए।